Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all smashing it. So in this video, it's going to be a dead quick one. Basically, we've had a little water leak on the e91. Now what I've been noticing, and you can see there's a bit of water there. Basically, I've had water on this seal here and the carpet's been getting slightly damp, basically under really heavy rain. Now basically I've had a quick look online, seeing what could be causing the issue. A lot of people have said it's the seal on the bottom of here, all that butyl tape, basically from previous repairs. Now when I've looked at this, I thought it was actually this seal, but under closer inspection, obviously we've taken the door card off, dead easy. Just pop the trim, well on the e91, just pop the trim off the front. You've got 3 Torx bolts along there behind the trim, and then this will just pop off. But once I've got the door card off, I've actually noticed that this area here wasn't stuck down properly. And if you actually have a look underneath, I don't know whether it shows, there are actually signs of water. There you go. So I'm pretty confident that's what's caused it. So I'm bought some butyl tape, just got this off eBay, Amazon. Just look for butyl tape, you can find basically loads of different sizes. I've got the slightly thicker size, but I think once we reseal this, the plastic trim, that should sort the water leak. So obviously I'm just going to clean all this up, make sure it's a nice surface for everything to contact to. We'll get the heat gun out, just heat it up a little bit to help it adhere, and then we'll stick this back in and hopefully that'll sort our water leak. So with this one, if you're doing it properly, you're probably going to need to use like an isopropyl alcohol. Basically obviously clean all the area, you can see where it contacts. You can take obviously all the old tape off and refix it, but for now, as I'm losing a bit of light and I've not got any alcohol, I'm just going to use a simple cleaning solution, clean all of this up. Then we'll get some more of the butyl tape. I'll stick it onto the door first, give it a bit of heat, and then we'll just press it all back together, and that should just reseal it for now, certainly enough to stop it leaking. So we'll crack on with this. Right, let's get a bit of heat on it and get some more tape on it. So with this now, all I'm doing is I'm going to leave the original on, because I don't think there's any point in changing this. Basically just pressing it all flat, just to make sure it adheres to the new stuff. Without any gaps or anything like that. Yeah. A bit of pressure on that, make sure it sticks. Hopefully get no more water leaks. Now this can actually be the same process on your rear doors, passenger door, etc. on quite a few models of cars, because obviously water does actually get in behind the seals. It can drip off stuff and it can give you a water leak. So I'm hoping this is going to sort my problem. I'm pretty confident it will. So I think the main amount of water was coming through on this area, just basically where the window mechanism bolts up here. So obviously it's kind of running down the mechanism, but I'm hoping this is going to redirect the water back in so it drains out your two little drains at the bottom. Stuck pretty well. Right, just put a little bit of car on the top, just because I've got the door card off. So there we go, quite a simple process. Just get my door card back on, obviously a couple of little clips, just pop back on, and then you've got your 3 torque screws to put it back on, and hopefully this will sort my issue. No more steamed up windows and wet carpets. Right, so that's the door card back on. Hopefully no more leaks. So we'll get these few little trims on. Obviously I only took them off because I was checking a few things. They didn't actually need to come off. And hopefully no more water leaks. So there we go. Dead simple fix. It's not taking long to do. Obviously I would have liked to have shown a little bit better, but I'm losing the light. Basically all that was happening, I was finding out my carpets were getting a little bit wet on the driver's side. I had a look at it. On the actual door seal, I could see a little bit of water, especially after heavy rain, you know, first time you get in your car. I thought it was the actual door seal that had gone, but obviously doing a bit of reading, a lot of people say it is actually the butyl tape on that inner kind of plastic. Now obviously I bought the butyl tape, that was just from, I think I got it off eBay. Wasn't expensive at all. I got the quite thicker stuff because I've used it for other things, like I've been sealing the petrol cap on the E30 while I've been doing that. So I had a load left over, really cheap, dead easy to apply. Obviously freezing at the minute, which is why I've had to use a heat gun. If you're doing this in summer, you probably won't have that issue. But that's basically the tools I've used. Bit of butyl tape. I think it was either a T15 or a T20 Torx bit. That was to get the door card off. Obviously a trim removal tool. That's to get rid of your trim. A pair of scissors to cut the tape. And obviously a heat gun. So really simple fix. Hopefully this is going to stop my windows steaming up when I first get in the car in the mornings and stop any leaks in the footwell. So hope you like this video, only a quick one. As always, hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video. See you later.